All right, I wanted to share with everyone a concept I'm working on for the indexer for the loadmaster. This is basically an auto reset that doesn't use anything on the frame. So we index, we come up. We're not using any of this stuff on the frame. And you see we can just short stroke it. It'll index. So this is a concept I'm working on. Hope to get that on my shop pretty soon. I'm working out the last details on it. But if all this proves reliable, it eliminates all the setup. Basically, you remove the original, install this, no other changes to the press, and it eliminates all of the touch points on the frame and becomes just auto indexing. All right, so stay tuned.